Hello friends, welcome back to Travelers Click YouTube channel. Today we are visiting Dream World theme park in Bangkok. The Dream World theme park located 21 kilometers away from Don Mueang International Airport in Bangkok. We visited there in 2024 and we bought the tickets in advance, and I went there with Ahinda's Travelers group, and let's go inside the theme park. There are a lot of nice sceneries and photo booths from the entrance, so you can have photos with your gang and individually from there. You can see there are a lot of flower gardens and statues kind of things. We started our first activity, which is monorail. It gives a view of the park and some rides while you go from the part of the park to another sitting on the ride. Also, you can go over the Super Splash and the Thunderbird, etc. Other rides to fully observe what gives the joy when you are in the rides. Watch other people going through the rides from a bird eye view from this amazing ride. Then we tried the cycle boards in the lake. This was actually an energy consuming activity, so it was setting when we were riding on the lake. Next, we are going to visit the giant's house. Hope you have seen those movies where tiny creatures explore house and cause chaos. Well, in the giant's house, you are the tiny being, but not to cause chaos, rather to enjoy the feeling of being in a giant's big house. Everything is 10 times bigger for you to explore and take funky photos while exploring them. Here you can see a giant sleeping on the bed and a cage that you can go inside, and giant shoes. And this is the bird eye view of that from the stairs and the balcony. Also here you can see giant golden eggs. Next we tried one of the most interesting activities in the Dream World. It's another adrenaline infused ride, aptly named the Hurricane. It takes one up to 20 meters high before it starts its somersaults for the riders. It is better to go on this ride before snacking, as the motion may cause some unpleasantness to people with sensitive constitution. Then we had an Indian lunch from there and we enjoyed it. And after that we are moving to our next activity. Now we are going to the snow town. You can see snow around the place. There you can build a snowman, ride a sledge, take an epic photo with the mammoth, conquer a snow-covered hill, sit inside an igloo. All this experience and more awaits you in the snow town. This is our team inside the snow house. Now here's the most interesting activity, which is super splash. Actually it is what the name says. A super splash of water covers you as you reach off the ride. The start is where the ride slowly takes you higher and drops you down in the shimmering pool of water waiting for you in the bottom of the hill. It splashes a huge wall of water over you. Feel excitement as you land down and reach the completion of the whole ride. Here we suddenly met some Sri Lankan kids to ride with us.
Nani, bye.
This activity was so interesting, so we tried it for the second time as well. We enjoyed a lot there. and that was an awesome day for us. This is our Ahinda's team who went with me, and thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.